What's up everyone? Today's video we are going to be fixing the trunk on this Honda S2000 and the reasons for why it won't open with the remote or with the button inside the car, why the trunk won't pop. So in the previous video we did a bunch of work on the interior. You can see we cleaned up a lot of stuff, got rid of the carpets, we put on some new brakes. Check out that video for that stuff. But in today's video I'm going to show you what the common issue is with the trunk release, why it doesn't work, and it seems to happen to quite a few of them. So the issue is not only with the trunk release button that's in your glove box. I've already popped it out, make sure it was connected. We got no action. And same thing with the remote, the key fob. But I've already diagnosed it, so I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys. You guys can go crazy with fuses. But the common issue, depending on how many miles or how old your car is down here. So the wire harness where it loops around this hinge here on the driver's side. Once you take the loom off, you're gonna find a bunch of wires that are just broken clean off. So the way they have this thing looped in here, they have this peg here and this other one over here, this white one, and it forces the wires to bend in a very specific spot. So I've freed them so that I can work on this, but honestly I'm not going to put them back in just so the wire has more movement in it. And it gets choked up right here by this zip tie. Hopefully you guys can see it right there. And that is, as you can see right where it breaks, is where this tie wrap is holding it and restricting it from bending in that one spot. So we're going to free that, and I'm going to solder them. I currently have the soldering iron warming up right now. We'll solder them back together and get back in business and get our trunk release working. So I want to give you guys one more look at this now that the loom is back and pulled back. So there you can see we have these three wires that are busted off. Looks like a white with a black, yellow with a black, or sorry, black with a yellow, and a black wire. All three of these are busted off. The only one remaining is this blue wire. So I'm gonna go ahead and strip these back. I got some heat shrink ready to go. We got solder. We're gonna do it the right way and get it back together. But definitely I'm not gonna put that zip tie back on here. You can see where it got choked right there, and it is exactly where it ended up breaking, was right there. All right, so we've got our connection soldered. I just have to slip my heat shrink over, but now if you walk over to the button here, you will audibly hear it. So you can definitely hear the trunk working now. I don't want to close it because I still gotta seal up my connection so that they don't arc off each other, but yeah, definitely working. There's no mistake about that. All right, you guys, so that's gonna be it. Short and sweet for this. How to fix your trunk latch, your electronic trunk latch if it's not working on your Honda S2000. And I've actually seen this on a bunch of other Hondas. It seems to be the way that they wrap the wire loom coming from the trunk that the wires end up getting split. But anyways, you guys, if you found this helpful, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you're notified of all the latest videos when we post them. And we'll see you on the next video. Take care.